Let's make almond halwa, badam ka halwa from the residue of almond milk that I made. The residue that we had left from almond milk, and I have a great recipe for you which is even my favorite. And since it is time of holidays, it's time of celebrations, why not make almond halwa? Let's start. Let's make almond halwa together today. Almond paste made by adding milk in the food processor. In ghee, first add almond paste, then add almond residue. Cook for few minutes. Add sugar, add color, saffron soaked in water. Add little bit more milk as needed. Add crushed green cardamoms. Cook till ghee leaves side of the pan. Serve in your favorite bowl. So our halwa is ready that I made with so much love for you. And you won't resist it because it's gonna be gone in seconds. That's how yummy it is.